Tim's Garage. Today we're doing a bit of an experiment to see what's the best way to clean your lights. Just time, grime, smoke, fog, just travel, wear and tear will put a haze on your lights, just of scratches, of the smoke just penetrating into that plastic. So how do you clean it best? We've got here a Maguire's light restorer kit. Maguire's just make fantastic stuff. So this isn't saying anything's bad, but we're just going to see if we can actually get the same job using buffer and some cut and polish. So this is the restoration versus cut and polish. So maybe this may save you some money if you've got one and not the other. So I'm sure this is going to be good, but my hope already, I'm going to show my hand, my hope is that I can get a decent job with my buffer.
So to be honest, I actually wasn't that happy with either of the outcomes. I don't know if I used the restoration kit too many times and was losing some of its potency, or my buffer, I just couldn't seem to get the settings right on the cutting polish, so I decided to go to town on one lens using everything I had. And so I used both the restoration kit to sort of get into it, but also I used my buffer to get that final crystal clear cut, just to polish it back totally. And so here you can see we're using everything we've got to cut in a little bit more, get some of that grime out of it, and then finally polish it up to get the haze off the final finish. And the end result was actually pretty good. For something that I was able to do at home with not a lot of guidance, didn't have to go and buy sandpaper or anything, didn't have to spend a heap extra money, the outcome looks fairly good. So you make your own call. I think both of them together made a great combination, but you could get away with using your buffer if you didn't have any other options. Check out the results. The one on the right is the one we just did. Thanks for watching Tim's Garage. See you next time.